You're working hard, but somehow, you're still not getting ahead. Every month, you pay your bills, maybe save a little, and then do it all over again. It feels like you're moving, but you're not actually going anywhere. And here's the part nobody tells you, it's not because you're not working hard enough. It's because the system you're playing is designed to keep you stuck. Most people don't have a money problem, they have a strategy problem. So they wake up, grab their phones, open a trading app, and start staring at red and green candles like it's a casino. They think they're investing, but what they're actually doing is building themselves a high-stress, low-paying job inside the stock market. If I've learned anything on my journey to financial freedom, it's this. The stock market is the easiest way to build wealth, but only if you're lazy enough to do it right. Because the more you try to control the market, the more you destroy your returns. So why the S&P 500? Because it's the only investment strategy that doesn't require you to be a genius. You don't need to read financial reports. You don't need to analyze charts. You don't need to predict anything. History already did the work for you. For over 100 years, through wars, recessions, crashes, and chaos, the S&P 500 has proven one thing. It grows. Historically, the S&P 500 has delivered an average annual return of 10.2% over the past 100 years, 10.7% over the last 30 years, and even 14% over the past decade. This means, despite the ups and downs, your money has averaged a 10% growth year after year. Instead of trying to pick the next big winner, you just buy the whole team. The 500 biggest, most dominant companies in America working for you. No stress, no guessing. You just buy, you hold, and you go live your life. In this game, time isn't just money. Time is a force multiplier. The earlier you start, the harder your money works. Every single day you wait, you're firing your most loyal employee. Compound interest. I hear the excuses all the time. I don't have $1,000. I don't even have $500. I only have $50. It's too small to matter. Let me ask you something. If $50 is too small to start, how much longer are you planning to stay broke? How much longer are you going to live paycheck to paycheck, running just to stay in the same place? Because retirement isn't some magical moment where money suddenly appears. For most people, retirement is actually harder because there's no income, no system, no second heartbeat. $50 today is better than zero. Starting small isn't embarrassing. It's the only way to be smart. Let's remove the opinions. Let's look at the facts. If you invest $500 a month into an S&P 500 index fund, after 5 years, you're sitting at around $38,000. Let's break that down. $30,000 of that came from your hard work, and the market handed you about $8,000 as a bonus. It's not life-changing yet, but it's real. Now, let's double it. $1,000 a month for 5 years? You're at about $77,000. Again, look at the split. You put in $60,000 of your own cash. But the market? It grew your wealth by an extra $17,000. That's a decent car, paid for by the American economy, just for being patient. Now, here's where everything changes. You stay consistent, you don't touch it, and you keep going for another 5 years. After a total of 10 years, you are sitting on $205,000. Stop and look at these two numbers carefully. Your contribution. You invested $120,000 over those 10 years. The market's gift. Your money made you an extra $85,000. Think about that. While you were sleeping, traveling, and living your life, the market gave you $85,000 for doing absolutely nothing. Let me ask you something. How many years have you worked already, and you're still not even close to having $85,000 in pure profit sitting in your account? That moment right there. That's the inflection point. That's when your money starts working harder than you do. You aren't just a worker anymore. You are an owner. But wait, it gets even better. Think about what happens next. Once you reach that $205,000 mark, you've officially built a monster. If that money stays in the S&P 500 and continues its 10% average, that pile of money is now generating over $20,000 in pure profit. every single year. You don't have to lift a finger. Your money is now handing you a permanent annual bonus. But here's what I really want you to understand. I know $200,000 feels like a mountain when you're just starting, but don't get hung up on the big number. Whether it's $200,000, $200, or just $20, the magic is exactly the same. If you have $2,000 in your account and it makes $200 this year, that's not just pocket change. That $200 represents a full day of work that you no longer have to do. That's a day you can spend with your family, a day you can sleep in, or a day you can work on your own dreams, and it was paid for by your second heartbeat. This isn't just about being rich, it's about buying back your life, 1 hour at a time. Every dollar you invest is a freedom fighter you're sending out to the front lines. Maybe this year your investments only pay for your phone bill. That's a win. Next year they pay for your groceries. That's a bigger win. Eventually they'll pay for your rent, and finally, your entire life. Stop trading your life for a paycheck. You don't start at the finish line. You start by deciding that your money should work harder for you than you do for it. Whether you're starting with $50 or $5,000, build your machine. Reach for the big goals, but value the small victories, because every dollar earned in your sleep is a piece of your freedom reclaimed. This is how the wealthy stay wealthy. They don't work for the money, they own the machine that creates it, and it's time you started building yours. Here's the part nobody talks about. Day traders get taxed like employees. Short-term gains, the government takes a massive cut, but long-term investors, they get rewarded. If you hold your investment for over 1 year, your taxes drop. You keep more of your money. Same market, different game. This is exactly how I retired at 33 years ago and traveled to 15 different countries. I stopped trading my time for money and started building systems that pay me. Passive income isn't a dream, it's a strategy. Imagine your rent paid by companies you don't even work for. Your lifestyle funded by assets you already own. No boss, no clock, no permission needed. In the history of the world, no billionaire became rich by working 1,000 times harder than you. They got rich because they owned the system. You don't need to hustle harder, you need to own smarter. On this channel, I'm not here to sell you a fantasy. I'm here to show you real numbers, real strategies, and the exact mindset I use to escape the system. No hype, no shortcuts, just what actually works. I'm not your financial advisor, and I'm not here to tell you what to do, but I am telling you this. Don't wait. Don't wait for the perfect amount. Don't wait for the perfect market. Don't wait until you feel ready, because nobody ever does. The people who win, they just start. Even if it's $5, stop being the engine of your life. Start being the passenger. In the system that's already moving, your future self is watching you right now. Make the decision they'll thank you for. I'll see you at the finish line.